Hello and welcome to our video on the science of Interstellar. In this movie, a group of astronauts travel through a wormhole in an attempt to find a new home for humanity, encountering a number of scientifically questionable elements along the way. One of the main scientific concepts depicted in the movie is the existence of a wormhole, which is a hypothetical tunnel-like structure that connects two points in space-time. While the concept of a wormhole is interesting, and has been the subject of scientific speculation, it is not supported by current scientific understanding and there is no evidence to suggest that they actually exist. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, the presence of a wormhole would require the presence of negative mass, which has never been observed in the universe. Another scientific concept featured in the movie is the ability to communicate with the past. While it is theoretically possible to send information back in time, it would require a source of energy that is significantly greater than anything that exists in the universe. Additionally, this would violate the laws of physics, specifically the law of cause and effect, which states that every effect must have a cause. In other words, if we were able to send a message back in time, it would be impossible to determine what caused the message to be sent in the first place. Finally, the movie depicts a number of highly exaggerated and unrealistic events, such as a massive tidal wave in New York City and the rapid freezing of the Earth's oceans. These events are not based on any scientific fact and are not realistic. In reality, the Earth's oceans would take much longer to freeze, and the amount of energy required to cause such a rapid freeze would be much greater than what is available in the universe. Overall, while Interstellar is an entertaining and visually stunning movie, the science depicted in it is not accurate and should not be taken as fact. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoy educational content like this, consider subscribing and watching another video just like this one.